Upper screws.
The upper screws are located under the tail light. Press the inner cover of the tail light inwards and remove it. Remove the plastic nut underneath. Then press the tail light outwards and pull it backwards at the same time. The reason for this are two clips on the outside of the tail light. If you push the tail light as a whole outwards, the clasp releases and you can pull the tail light backwards out of the quarter panel. To disconnect the tail light, pull the lock backwards. Here, the same system on a power window switch. As soon as the lock is pushed far enough back, the plug will release itself. After the taillights are out, remove the two screws under the taillights.
Screws to the side.
The bumper is initially attached to the side of the wheel arch liner with 4 screws. Remove all screws. The bumper is also attached to the quarter panel with a plastic expanding rivet. Push the wheel arch liner a little to the side. The expanding rivet is attached from bottom to top. Pull out the inner part of the expanding rivet and then remove the entire part.
Bottom screws.
Simply remove all screws from the bottom that are directly attached to the bumper.
Unplug electronics.
The central connector for the parking sensors is on the right side. Pull the bumper out of the guide and disconnect it. If that doesn't work, like it did for me, you can also use a very narrow screwdriver at the front and release the lock directly. Now you can pull the bumper backwards out of the guides and remove it.